Ano ba ang difference ng aromatic at aliphatic na polyurethane? Aliphatic ay meaning pwedeng hindi mo na siya patungan ng top coat dahil hindi na magbabago ang kanyang kulay. Maganda ang kanyang UV resistance. Here at Buildrite, you can use Hyper Black Aqua, which is water-based, na aliphatic. It has good elastic hydrophobic membrane, kaya best siyang gamitin sa roof deck kahit na may water panding. Since it's 100% polyurethane, it has greater durability compared to PU acrylics. It can withstand light to medium traffic. Ang ibig sabihin naman ng aromatic ay nagkakaroon na siyang ng yellowing kapag na-expose. Meaning, hindi lang siya UV stable, it's still UV resistant. Pero wala naman effect sa mechanical properties. Ang ibig lang sabihin, kailangan nyo pa maglagay ng top coat para hindi masira ang ating waterproofing membrane. Isa pang magandang waterproofing product is yung Hyperblock 100. Aromatic siya. Kailangan nyo lang siya malagyan ng top coat. It has excellent mechanical, chemical, thermal, UV resistance, and it has crack bridging capability up to 2 mm. Ang isa pang magandang polyurethane product is Hyperblock Polyurea. Most of the polyurea are aromatic. Ang maganda sa kanya, easy to apply and fast curing siya. After 3 hours, pwede na agad applyan ng second coat. Recommended siya sa mga areas na kailangan na mabilis ang waterproofing, lalo na sa tag-ulan. Also, it can withstand heavy mechanical traffic. Pwede nyo siyang gamitin for recreational areas like basketball or events place, helipad, or parking roof deck.